Binance Web3 Wallet Tutorial. How to use it. Step-by-step full guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash and Coffee. In this video, we're diving into the Binance Web3 Wallet, your gateway to decentralized applications, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Whether you're brand new to Web3 or just curious about how to connect safely and easily using Binance, this step-by-step guide will get you set up and exploring in no time. Let's get started. To begin, open your Binance app. Tap on the Wallets tab at the bottom and select Web3. If you're on desktop, you can use the Binance Web3 Wallet browser extension, similar to MetaMask. This Web3 wallet is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys. Now, you'll be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you're new, tap Create Wallet and write down your 12-word seed phrase. Already have a MetaMask or Trust wallet? Use Import Wallet and enter your recovery phrase. Remember, anyone with your seed phrase can access your funds. Never share it. After generating your wallet, back up your seed phrase offline. Write it on paper. Never save it in email or cloud storage. Binance will ask you to re-enter parts of the seed to confirm your backup. You can also export your private key for advanced users, but again, secure it properly. Enable biometric or PIN protection for an extra layer of safety. To send crypto, tap the token in your wallet, then send. Enter the recipient's address and the amount. Double-check the network. To receive crypto, hit Receive and copy your wallet address or scan the QR code. The Binance Web3 wallet supports multiple chains like BNB Chain, Ethereum, Arbitrum, and more. Ready to explore Web3? Tap Discover or dApp browser. You can now connect to platforms like PancakeSwap, Aave, OpenSea, and many others directly from the wallet. Just select the dApp, approve the connection, and you're in. Always verify URLs and permissions before approving transactions. To view or manage your assets, go to your wallet screen. You can add custom tokens, track balances, and even switch between supported blockchains. Binance Web3 Wallet automatically detects assets on major chains, but for niche tokens, use the Add Token feature. Here are some Web3 security tips. Never click suspicious links or random airdrop offers. Double-check dApp URLs. Revoke access to dApps you no longer use via the security center. Use a hardware wallet for large funds if possible. Stay alert. Web3 is powerful but also risky without proper security. To recap, the Binance Web3 wallet lets you explore dApps, send and receive tokens, manage multiple chains, stay in control of your assets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a crypto tutorial. Drop your questions in the comments and let us know what Binance guide you want next. See you in the next one. Smash that like button if this helped you and subscribe to Cash and Coffee for more crypto tutorials just like this. Got a question about Binance Web3 Wallet? Drop it in the comments.